Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. Today it is the 11th of December, which if you've been following this series now means that we are cracking on into the Lookfantastic advent calendar for day number 11. We will be unboxing box number 11. So for the past 2 days in the Lookfantastic advent calendar, there's been a theme of skincare because on the 9th we got the Oskia London Renaissance Cleansing Gel, and then on the 10th of December we got the facial radiance pads from Fab First Aid Beauty. So I'm wondering what day number 11 is going to bring. Is it going to be another skincare item? Is it going to be a hair care item? Something makeup like? Let's get tucked into the box to see what it is. This is definitely like a gel or something. Avant Shea Butter Sweet Almond Morning Rice Age Restore Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment. That was a mouthful. So it's another skincare product, so that means 3 days of skincare product. I'm not complaining at all. I wholeheartedly welcome new skincare products. And I am loving this box for finding new companies. So let's have a read of the back of it. Apply a thin layer to clean, dry skin. Allow to absorb into the skin. No need to wash off. So this, I assume, is just like an overnight moisturizer. This actually smells really perfumey. I can definitely tell that that's kind of something that you leave on the skin overnight because boy is that thick. It almost smells like watermelon. I have never really had a night cream that feels that thick on the skin, but it leaves a layer on, so I imagine that when you wear it overnight it sinks into the pores in the skin and the skin takes the nutrients from it. And I've never heard of Avant Beauty before. It's made in the EU for Avant skincare. It's cruelty free and paraben free. So let's have a little look as always at the leaflet behind door number 11. Avant Skincare Moisture Surge Overnight Treatment. Say that twice as fast because that is a mouthful. Wake to youthful skin with this overnight treatment. With an antioxidant rich formula, this treatment gives the complexion a new lease of life. Use 2 to 3 times a week before bed for a brighter visage. Oh, this smells really perfumey, so I'm not sure how this is going to work on my skin. Again, I will give everything that I receive in this box a try. Trial and error is the only way that I am going to find out if I like these new products. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I am truly grateful that a lot of you are dedicating your time to spending 5 minutes a day with me here unboxing this Lookfantastic advent calendar. Pop back again tomorrow to see what is behind door number 12. Thank you guys for watching and I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye.